Good afternoon. My name is Aisha Dunmore. I am an associate attorney here at the Cromeans Law Firm. We have recently been getting a lot of questions from our clients in regards to the coronavirus pandemic that is currently going on in the United States. One of the most common questions that I'm getting from my clients is how are they to deal with any delays caused by the coronavirus epidemic and also any contractual obligations that they have to fulfill during this timeline. In response to that, I think it's important to note that in your standard construction contracts, you will have what's called a force majeure clause. What that clause does specifically is that it allows for some relief to the responsibilities that you have under your contract during this time of pandemic. Most specifically, there are 3 requirements that you must meet in order to have a force majeure. There must be an event that is outside of your control that affects your ability to perform your work. Additionally, you are also required to mitigate any possible damages that may occur due to this pandemic or event that happens. In this particular instance, because right now we are experiencing required social distancing, this is absolutely affecting our contractors' ability to go out and do work. This will be a valid defense to any delay charges that you may have or any breach of contract that is threatened against you. In order to effectively institute the force majeure clause, you want to make sure that you're doing everything that you can to document all of your efforts. In this particular instance, because it is affecting the entire United States, it could be quite possible that it's very difficult for you to mitigate your damages. Your general mitigation would be to possibly find limited workers or different suppliers to use. However, because this is affecting the United States as a whole, you can be quite certain that the coronavirus epidemic will be considered a force majeure by any competent court at law. In the event that you are working a construction project without a contract, there are defenses in the law as well that can help out. There's the doctrine of frustration and then also the doctrine of impossibility. Those doctrines also follow along the line of a force majeure clause. There has to be some form of outside influence that's preventing you from doing your work that's outside of your control. If you ever have any questions or concerns in regards to your potential exposure to liability due to the coronavirus or due to your lack of work because of the social distancing, you can always contact our office here at the Cromeans Law Firm